Welcome to Organizational Troubleshooters Education Series about how to use personal selling to grow your business. Each video segment was designed so you can go back and watch individual lessons as many times as you like to gain greater insight about the personal selling process. Now that you've watched all the videos, let's review what you've learned. This session has a short quiz about the most important lessons in the personal selling series. Grab a sheet of paper and something to write with, then number the page from 1 through 10 so you can jot down your answers. Ready for your first question? Great! Let's get started. Question 1. The secret weapon to get people to buy is... Question 2. How many steps are there in the personal selling process? Question 3. When prospecting, figure out where potential customers are located. Then go there. Question 4. When qualifying prospects, look for customers who A. Want to buy, B. Are able to buy, or C. Both. Question 5. When approaching prospects, A. Dress and act professionally, B. Smile to communicate you are sincerely interested in the prospect, C. Use a short, catchy opening statement, D. End your approach with a question to encourage the prospect to keep talking, or E. All of the above. Question 6. When presenting to prospects, use an hour-long PowerPoint presentation. True or false? Question 7. When closing a prospect, offer different buying options. True or false? Question 8. When setting your goals, about what percentage of your time should be spent prospecting? Is it A. 20%, B. 40%, C. 60%, D. 80%, or E. 100%? Question 9. Following up after the sale helps build lifelong relationships with customers. True, false? And finally, question 10. Developing strong personal selling skills takes patience and practice. True, false? How did you do? Let's check your understanding. Question 1. The secret weapon to get people to buy is C. Selling people what they want. Don't try to force people to buy your product or service. Find people who are genuinely interested in what you are selling. 2. How many steps are there in the personal selling process? Answer E. There are 6 steps in your sales funnel: prospecting, qualifying, approaching, presenting, closing, and following up. Question 3. When prospecting, figure out where potential customers are located. Then go there. Is it true or false? Answer: true. Like prospectors in the 1800s who were looking for gold, being in the right location is a key factor in your success. Question 4. When qualifying prospects, look for customers who want to buy, are able to buy, or both. Answer C. Both. You are looking for prospects who want your product and are able to buy. Question 5. When approaching prospects, how should you act? Answer E. All of the above. dress professionally, smile, use a catchy opening, and end your approach with a question. Question 6. When presenting to prospects, use an hour-long PowerPoint presentation. Is that true or false? Answer B. False. Long, dull presentations usually bore prospects. Instead, engage prospects in a personal conversation to involve them in the sales process. Question 7. When closing a prospect, offer different buying options. Is that true or false? A. True. Providing options furthers the closing process with a specific call to action. Question 8. When setting your goals, about what percentage of your time should be spent prospecting? Answer D. 80%. Since prospecting starts the sales process, you should be constantly filling your sales funnel. Question 9. Following up after the sale helps build lifelong relationships with customers. Is that true or false? Answer A. True. Following up shows customers that you are interested in helping them find effective solutions to their problems. And finally, question 10. Developing strong personal selling skills takes patience and practice. Is that true or false? A. True. Top performing salespeople are not made overnight. They are persistent professionals who are dedicated to their business. Congratulations on completing this review of the most important lessons in Organizational Troubleshooters Personal Selling Series. Review the videos as needed to sharpen your selling skills.